Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Weiser door lock code, full guide. Grab a small flathead screwdriver, the current master code, and your desired new 4 to 8-digit code before we begin. I'll walk you through removing the interior cover, locating the programming button, and entering the code step by step. Follow calmly and test the new code twice to confirm reliable operation and avoid accidental lockouts. In this video, I will show how to change Weiser door lock code, full guide. First, remove the 2 interior screws using a small flathead screwdriver and lift the interior cover straight off. You'll see the battery compartment and the programming button clearly exposed. Avoid touching the circuit board. Set screws aside and check battery condition while you're there, because weak batteries can cause programming failures and inconsistent lock behavior. In this video, I will show how to change Weiser door lock code, full guide. Press the programming button, enter your current master code, then immediately enter the new user code and confirm when the lock beeps or flashes. If the lock rejects the entry, repeat carefully and check battery strength. After successful programming, test the new code from outside twice to ensure consistent unlocking, then reattach the interior cover and secure the screws.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.